Today on Garage Couple, the modding continues. We're going to show you how to take your door handles from this to this.
All using simple hand tools and for about 20 bucks. Stay tuned to see how we did it.
Here is everything you're gonna need to get the job done. You're gonna need a drill, which is pretty much optional. You don't absolutely need it. You're gonna need the 5 set of door handles, 1 for the trunk and 4 for the other 4 doors. If you have a 2-door, you only need 3 of these pieces. Could be found for 20 bucks on Amazon, shipped to your door. Link is in the description. You're also gonna need some tape. This is a tip that I recommend, and you'll see why in a second. And you're also gonna need a single Phillips screwdriver. So let's get started.
The first step is going to be to open up your packaging and fit it onto each door handle. Grab your tape and let's get these fitted. So as I'm getting this tape put on, I want to tell you guys a little bit about why we decided to get these. The original door handles look like they leave much to be desired.
Something like that.
These ones are made of metal, so they're pretty sturdy when you see the material that they're made of. I also think that just adding a little bit more black and this touch looks great with all the other small mods that we did around the car as well. So pretty sturdy. Now's the fun part. Grab your drill. We're gonna put some holes in this baby. Try getting the smallest drill bit that you have, just because we're using this to put holes in, and then we'll hand tighten the screws ourselves. Let's go. Once you've put the holes in, all you need is the Phillips and the screws that came with the packaging, and you just screw it right in. Things up, we're just going to use a Phillips attachment on the electric hand drill.
This is totally possible without this, but we just want to do it faster. At this point, we're just going to go around and put all of the drills in. What are we doing?
Removing the tape.
All right, let's see how it looks. The last thing that would be a good idea is, if you don't like the way this silver looks, you can go ahead and get a little bit of nail polish or black spray paint and just dab the silver screws. Then it will look uniformly black. We're gonna leave it silver for now, but we might put the black in the future.
We really like how these door handle inserts look. We think it looks absolutely fantastic with our side steps as well as our hinge covers. It also just makes the car look really sophisticated. Let us know what you think in the comments below.
And thank you so much for watching. As always, please stay tuned to see how you can win a free set of LED headlights. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random, and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.